Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add extra product option with price in single product page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page. Now you see drop down and price. So we are going to add extra product option with price. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write extra product option for WooCommerce. So this is plugin extra product option for WooCommerce we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see product and then you see extra product add-on. So click on it. Now we are in product option and scroll down you see field title. So we are going to create. Now click on add new. Now scroll down you see status. So enable this option. Now you see name. So you can add name according to requirement. Now add big bull. So this is a product. And then you see additional rules. Product is equal to. So you can add product name like big. Now you see product big bull. So you can add multiple product. And then you see display position before add to cart. And then you see extra product field. So you can create multiple extra product field. Now you see field name, field type, field status, field required action. Now expand it. So click on it. Now you see field status enable, field type, drop down select. You see multiple option. So we are going to add drop down. Now you see select. And then you see field title. So we add wheel, field title option enable. And then you see field subtitle option question mark. So click on it. Allow to add subtitle with different option. So currently we don't need it. Required, not compulsory. And then you see field extra option name ID class. Now we are going to add option. So you can add option according to your requirement. Now paste. We added option. Now you see 10-inch iron wheel and this is price $60. So we are going to add more option field. Drop down fixed. Now click on add new. Now we are going to add another option. Now you see 10-inch aluminum wheel price 150. So we can add here. So you can add multiple option according to your requirement. So we added 4 drop down. Now you see title and price. If you want you can add more field. Now click on it. So you can add according to your requirement. Now close. And then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Product field successfully created. Back to product page. So this is our product. Now refresh the page. Now we are in product. Now select. So this is our price. And this is our add-ons. Wheel. Drop down. Now you see price. Now scroll down you see add-on details. Product price 550. Wheel 10-inch aluminum wheel 150. Subtotal 700. And then click on add to cart. Now add to cart open. And then you see total price 750. So click on checkout. Also in checkout you see description also with add-ons detail. Now you see wheel 150. 10-inch aluminum wheel. So in this way you can add extra product option with price in single product page in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.